Flowmaster, the performance technology leader, is proud to introduce the new American Thunder Axleback exhaust system for the 2018 Ford Mustang GT with a 5.0 V8 engine. This system does not fit vehicles with the active performance exhaust valve option. This easy-to-install bolt-on 409S stainless steel system uses the factory hanger location, features 3-inch mandrel-bent tubing, and Super 44 series mufflers for maximum performance and sound. The system is finished off with quad 4-inch polished stainless steel tips featuring embossed Flowmaster logos. Flowmaster's American Thunder Axleback system is perfect for the person who wants to match the sound of their new pony with the new modern styling of the car. The American Thunder system has a deep, aggressive exterior sound level with a modern interior growl at different RPM ranges over the factory system, along with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster. If you're looking to dress up the look of your Mustang GT and give it more attitude with a deep, powerful tone, then this system's for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation. The exhaust system is manufactured right here in the USA and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.